Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gautham. Today we are going to make a AVISHKAAR wheel in Tinkercad. So this is the wheel which I made in Tinkercad. In this video I'll show you how to make AVISHKAAR wheel with 3D printer. So let's get started. First you need to take a cylinder, this orange color thing, and keep this 64, not 64, it's 67, same here. The wheel is here now, and we have to keep the height. It should be 17. Then you have to take a cylinder with a hole option you have to click and make it big. It should be 54. Then click the wheel and keep it whole, and take the inside one and lift it. Like this you have to lift, and keep the wheel here whole, and it should be in the middle like this. Then keep the wheel back into solid and click this board and see here the option group. You have to click this, then it comes a hole like this. Then you have to take another cylinder and make it small into 15. Into 12 size and keep it in the middle. Now the board wheels are same, which I made and you made. To click preview, and you have to click here slice plate. Sorry, it is LAM printing, and click multi machine. Now my printer is off. I will on it. Now my 3D printer is on. Then you have to click your 3D printer option and click one click printing. Then it starts. and the 3D printer is starting. Here I printed 2 of them, and this is the main, and it perfectly matches size. Both are exactly same, and this fits also. Both exactly fits. Now let's test this wheel if it works or not. I brought the board, and here is the controlling, same as usual. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and click this video to make one for yourself. And bye bye.